CAD NEST YouTube channel and educational institution. This is Arshia here. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to insert borders in Microsoft Word. So basically, I'll insert one paragraph here. Now I need to insert the border over here. So how to insert the border here? So first of all, I'll use the shortcut key to insert border. To insert borders in Microsoft Word, we can use the shortcut key Alt-HBE. Alt-HBE shortcut key we have to use for borders in Microsoft Word. Suppose if you want to remove the borders, just go to border option in paragraph. In paragraph, just click the option here. Here we have to use no border option. Suppose if you want to insert top border, how to insert top border? Just you have to select here. After selecting here, we need to insert the top border. Suppose I am selecting full paragraph over here. After selecting full paragraph, I need an bottom border. Just click here, bottom border. See, this is the bottom border. Suppose if you want to insert bottom on right side, you can add here right border. Suppose if you want to insert bottom on left side, just you can select here, then insert here left border. Suppose if you want to insert top border, you can insert here top border. Like this, we can insert the borders in Microsoft Word. Suppose if you want to draw the table directly, you can select the draw table option here. Even you can draw the table over here. Okay. So if you want to select pen color, even you can select the pen color over here. Just click on the pen color option. Here we are getting various pen colors. Select whichever colors you need. Suppose if you want to insert more colors option here, just click on the more color option. Then select some color over here. Suppose I am selecting this color, then give enter here, then insert the table here. We can draw the table over here. Suppose if you want to erase the table, just click the eraser option, then erase the table. Then next come to insert table option. Suppose if you want to insert only all borders, just click on the all borders option. So it is showing all borders here, but the pen color has been changed here. You can see here pen color has been changed over here. Suppose if you want to insert inside horizontal border, just you can insert horizontal border. If you want to insert like inside vertical border, just you can insert inside vertical border. So if you want to insert here grid lines, even you can insert the grid lines over here. You can get the grid lines over here. Then next come to outside, just come to inside border. Suppose if you want to insert inside border, just you need to click on inside border. Automatically inside borders is getting over here. Like this, we can insert the borders in Microsoft Word. Suppose if you want to add shading over here directly, you can use shading option from here. From here we'll get shading option. From shading option, you have to select one color. Example, I'm use here some like green color I am using here, then just hit enter. So this is the shading option we can use in borders. So like this various option we can use in inserting borders. We can insert the borders in various ways. It is not even you can use the shortcut key Alt-HBE. This is the way how to insert the borders in Microsoft Word. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.